In a land of ice and snow, a curious duo stumbles upon a tale of bravery and wonder. Gear in tow, they set off on a quest, eyes fixed on the towering peak ahead. Sliding and stumbling, they face challenges that test their resolve. Sheltering from the cold, doubts creep in as the shadows of doubt loom large. At journey's end, a twinkling star reveals truths beyond their wildest dreams. Hugs of shared wisdom, their hearts aglow with the warmth of unity and resilience. Together they conquer, drawing strength from one another as they ascend to new heights. As day fades into night, they find solace in the quiet beauty of the moment shared. Beneath the vast expanse of the night sky, they discover the true magic of friendship and resilience.